Is your car not running quite right? Today, we're diving into the symptoms of a bad camshaft position sensor. This small but crucial component can cause big problems if it starts to fail. Let's find out how. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel for Wheels Empire. So, what is a camshaft position sensor, and what does it do? A camshaft position sensor is an electronic device that does what it suggests: monitor the camshaft position and speed, and feeds that data to the vehicle's engine control module CM. The CM needs this data to control how much fuel enters the combustion chamber and ignition spark timing to ignite the fuel when the air-fuel mixture is ignited at precisely the right time, engine power and fuel economy increase and tailpipe emissions decrease. Three primary varieties of camshaft position sensors are: magnetic type sensor, C, output sensor, Hall effect sensor. The lifespan of a camshaft position sensor can vary depending on usage and the type of sensor, but they typically last between 100,000 to 150,000 kilometers before needing to be replaced. Here are some common symptoms of a bad camshaft position sensor. 1. Check engine light. The most common indicator that the camshaft position sensor is failing is a lit check engine light. Although you can connect to the CM using a DIY scan tool to try and diagnose the problem, it's best to take it to the pros when the check engine light illuminates. Here are some common camshaft sensor codes. If you are experiencing any of these codes, it may indicate an issue with your camshaft position sensor or related systems. Next, while driving, you might experience sudden stalling or sputtering. This can be quite dangerous, especially at high speeds or in heavy traffic. A bad camshaft position sensor can disrupt the engine's timing, leading to these issues. If your engine is taking longer to start or doesn't start at all, it could be due to a faulty camshaft position sensor. The sensor's failure can prevent the engine from getting the proper signal to start. Unsynchronized combustion in the cylinders is the root cause of a rough idle, which indicates a problem with the camshaft position sensor. A malfunctioning fuel pump or EGR valve are two more potential causes of a rough idle. Reduced engine power is a fail-safe mode used by the car's computer or engine control module CM to protect the engine. Several things can trigger limp mode, including loose cables, low coolant, fluid or all levels, transmission errors, internal engine issues, and failing sensors. Because the camshaft sensor gives the engine control unit erroneous information, an unexpected quantity of gasoline can be delivered into the combustion chamber. Not only will more gasoline be injected, but the combustion will also take place at a time that could be better. This will result in more fuel not being burned, resulting in a poor gas economy. So, there you have it, the top symptoms of a bad camshaft position sensor. If you're experiencing any of these issues, it's crucial to get your car checked by a professional mechanic. Ignoring these signs can lead to more severe engine damage and costly repairs. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more automotive tips and tricks. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or if there's a topic you'd like us to cover next. Until next time, drive safe.